Most visitors leave a website within 3 seconds if the interface looks outdated, loads slowly, or lacks professionalism. Even worse, if you're using platforms like Wix or Squarespace, your business is constrained. SEO, speed, and scalability are all dictated by them. But the solution isn't complicated. Today, you'll learn how to build a professional, optimized, and easy-to-manage website without coding knowledge or outsourcing costs. This is a practical method that delivers results beyond expectations. Are you ready to take full control of your website? So what tool allows you to create a powerful, optimized, and creative website with ease? Let's discover it together now. Part 1. The context and challenges of small businesses. In the digital age, a small business without a website is nearly invisible to potential customers. Yet many business owners hesitate, thinking building a website is complicated, expensive, and only for big players. This bottleneck holds back thousands of nail salons, yoga studios, and artisan bakeries from reaching the online market. A website is no longer a nice-to-have, it's a vital weapon for survival and competition. Many business owners have been disillusioned after spending thousands on agencies, only to end up with slow, hard-to-edit websites that fail to reflect their brand identity. They feel dependent on developers just to change a banner or add a service. The question arises, is there a way for business owners to manage their own websites without knowing how to code? A simple, accessible solution with the power to create a professional, high-quality website? This is where drag-and-drop platforms like Elementor thrive. No more struggling with code or needing a tech degree. Anyone can build a UX/UI compliant website in a single weekend. It's a shift from outsourcing to ownership. For less than the cost of a good steak in New York, a cafe owner can launch a fully functional online ordering site and turn traffic into real customers. Part 2. How Elementor breaks the traditional mold. Previously, building a website with WordPress meant relying on rigid themes. These templates forced content into preset slots, resulting in generic-looking sites that resembled hundreds of competitors. Customization required hiring developers, leading to wasted time and money, creating a vicious cycle that discouraged small businesses from joining the digital space. Elementor breaks that cycle. Free from theme restrictions, it provides a dynamic canvas where each content block can be dragged, dropped, and edited instantly. It's like setting up your physical store, choosing paint colors, arranging displays, adjusting lighting. The website now truly reflects the brand's essence. Whether it's a vintage fashion boutique or a modern photo studio with strong personalization. The biggest difference between Elementor and SaaS platforms like Wix or Squarespace lies in ownership. With Wix, you're essentially renting space on their land. They retain control. But with Elementor on WordPress, your website is a true digital asset. You own the domain, hosting, and data. This is crucial when scaling up, integrating CRMs or e-commerce, or simply avoiding being at the mercy of platform policy changes. Another advantage, Elementor optimizes cost without compromising quality. For the price of 1 week of advertising, you can build a fully responsive, SEO-ready website. No more patching outdated sites. Small businesses now have a flexible, powerful tool to compete head-on with major brands. Elementor turns impossible into within reach, opening equal opportunities for businesses of all sizes. Part 3. 5 reasons why Elementor is the ultimate tool for small businesses. In the US, the first question for any small business is, how do you stand out in a sea of competitors? A polished, unique website is key. Elementor provides a no-code solution, empowering business owners to create designs that truly reflect their style. With no IT background needed, you can build a site from scratch that showcases your brand, whether it's a personal fitness studio or a quaint bakery. Elementor liberates you from boring templates. Customize brand colors, fonts, and layouts freely. This creative control brings your brand story to life, from Brooklyn's handmade shops to California's landscaping services, establishing emotional connections from the first visit. Budget is everything for small businesses. With limited marketing funds, saving on website design is a top priority. Elementor solves this completely. For less than the hourly rate of a graphic designer, you get unlimited editing power. Barbershops in Chicago or bubble tea spots in Austin can now build stunning websites themselves. Speed is another major benefit. Imagine a catering company needing a landing page for a big client. Within hours, Elementor delivers a high-converting, fully functional site. No more waiting on freelancers or agencies. Businesses can launch digital campaigns quickly, seizing market opportunities instantly. Elementor's true power lies in scalability. As your business grows, so will your needs. E-commerce, CRM, automation. Elementor lets you expand with WooCommerce, pop-ups, forms, and SEO tools. A local store can evolve into a robust online brand without starting over. That's the core difference. Part 4. A to Z website building process with Elementor. The journey begins with strategic fundamentals. First, choose a reliable host like Bluehost or SiteGround to ensure fast page loading across the US. Then install WordPress and select a lightweight theme such as Astra or Hello to maximize performance. These steps build a solid foundation for future promotional campaigns and online sales. Next comes defining the website structure. Each business has unique needs. A florist might need a gallery page, while a yoga studio prioritizes schedule and booking. Elementor makes this easy with intuitive design, aligning user experience with business goals and maximizing conversion. The Hero section is the first handshake with visitors. Elementor makes it simple to build a powerful first impression. Full-width background, sharp headlines, and a bold call to action. A fitness center in Miami might feature an energetic coach with the text, "Transform your body today," and a "Book your free session" button, perfectly targeting customer motivation. Service descriptions must clearly convey business value. Elementor's 2-column blocks help present info and images cleanly. A dog walking service in San Francisco could list hourly packages alongside real-life photos of staff walking dogs. This clarity helps customers quickly understand offerings and make decisions. Testimonials and social proof are essential. Elementor offers vivid review blocks to showcase client feedback. A fashion boutique in LA might feature customers wearing their outfits, with short comments about quality and experience, boosting trust and encouraging action. Mobile responsiveness is a must, with over 60% of traffic coming from phones. Elementor allows device-specific editing to ensure perfect display across all screens. A donut shop in Portland can adjust layouts so menus are easy to read and order buttons are always visible on smartphones, delivering smooth, professional mobile experiences that drive sales. Part 5. Case Study, Pet's Garden Store. Facing declining sales, Pet's Garden in Texas identified their outdated website as a critical weakness. Its poor interface and navigation led to high bounce rates. Instead of continuing with expensive web services, they took control and rebuilt their site using Elementor, turning crisis into a digital opportunity. Within just 3 days, Pet's Garden launched a new website. Modern design, vibrant colors, and smart product layout. Each block was personally customized to match the brand's friendly style. Features like online ordering, vet consultation booking, and grooming service packages were seamlessly integrated, offering professionalism without losing the brand's charm. Thanks to Elementor's built-in SEO features, the new site quickly rose in search rankings. Organic traffic increased by 65% in just 2 months. More importantly, the conversion rate from visits to actual orders improved dramatically. With under $100 invested, the store now controls its online presence, saving thousands in outsourcing costs and enabling agile marketing. Pet's Garden's success illustrates Elementor's true value. More than just a website builder, it empowers business teams with control, creativity, and continuous optimization. No more waiting for developers. Brands can instantly adapt to market trends. This is the foundational strength, helping small US businesses stay competitive in the digital era. Part 6. Is Elementor Pro worth the upgrade? Many businesses start with the free version of Elementor but soon realize its limits. Elementor Pro unlocks powerful tools like sticky headers, pop-up builders, and global widgets to boost conversions. For retail or premium service businesses, features like dynamic forms, WooCommerce integration, and custom landing pages are crucial to survive in the tough US market. Elementor Pro isn't just an upgrade, it's a strategic lever for enhancing customer experience. From personalized content, conditional display, to lightning-fast performance, everything is achievable in a few clicks. Industries like travel, education, and healthcare use Pro to build funnels, boost retention, and reduce operational costs. For the cost of one Facebook ad session, Elementor Pro delivers exponential value. Businesses are no longer limited by technical skill or third-party dependency. Instead, they wield a powerful, flexible, user-friendly tool to shape their websites in line with strategic goals. In the US market, where speed and control are critical, Elementor Pro is a key ally for small businesses to gain sustainable competitive advantages. Part 7. Common mistakes when starting with Elementor. Overusing motion effects and animations is a common pitfall. It often leads to heavy websites, slow loading, and poor user experience, hurting SEO. Many online stores have lost sales because their homepage took more than 5 seconds to load. The solution is minimalist elegance. Only use animations where they add value, ensuring fast and smooth performance. Neglecting mobile optimization is another major error, costing businesses up to 70% of potential customers. Though Elementor allows separate mobile designs, many users skip this step. Poor mobile layout breaks user experience and ruins conversion. Successful brands prioritize mobile interfaces, from content flow and button size to load speed, for seamless, everywhere interactions. Lack of strategic thinking is another flaw. A beautiful design without user-focused experience is ineffective. Cluttered structure, hard-to-find info, and weak CTAs cause immediate drop-offs. While Elementor is powerful, it must pair with solid UX/UI principles. Put yourself in the visitor's shoes, design clear flows that guide them naturally to action. Then, your website becomes a true revenue-generating asset. Part 8. Long-term vision. Self-built websites, self-reliant businesses. In the digital economy, owning and controlling your website is no longer optional. It's essential. Elementor saves costs, but more importantly, grants full autonomy in executing online strategies. From artisan bakeries in New York to niche service providers in Seattle, owning your website means owning your customer journey, data, and brand. As social platforms tighten algorithms and ad costs soar, your website becomes a safe, independent space for growth. Elementor equips businesses with powerful, easy-to-use tools to manage content, update products, and launch marketing campaigns flexibly. No third-party dependence. US small businesses can now compete fairly, building their digital empires from scratch. More than a web design tool, Elementor empowers small businesses to become true digital leaders. Its flexibility, scalability, and intuitive design make it ideal for brands looking to grow. As tech becomes more democratic, power shifts from size to adaptability. Elementor is the bridge from offline to online, local to national, potential to reality. Many believe building your own website can never match professional agencies. But in today's market, speed and proactiveness matter more than polish. When your competitor is quickly swapping out banners and closing deals, can you afford to wait for an agency quote? Elementor isn't magic, but it is the ultimate tool for businesses wanting to stay in control. Outsourcing or DIY doesn't matter as much as how fast you can respond. Don't let hesitation become missed opportunity. The choice to act or delay is yours. Thank you for watching the whole video. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.